Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to remove a friend from Snapchat. We start by entering Snapchat and then clicking on our user icon. Here we will look for the My Friends section and click on it. After that, we will hold down the friend to delete and then click on Manage Friendship. After this, we will click on Remove Friend and finally confirm the remove action to remove that contact from our friends list. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.